The Dow drops 57 points. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade Tuesday, June 14th, 2016. The Fed is doing a two-day policy meeting, and everybody's on edge due to that. Markets continue its dive to the downside. All major moving averages down, with the NASDAQ flat, small caps down 0.3%, but the bank's off by 1.6%. The financials off by 1.5%. Big drop in financials, guys. US dollar up 0.4%. Expect more upside potential going into the future for the US dollar. That's going to put pressure on the markets as a whole going into the rest of the summer here. Crude oil down, gold up, silver down, and the VIX down 2%. So the VIX down when the markets are also down. So the fear has bounced back a little bit after such a heavy pop that it's had the last 4 or 5 trading sessions. Anyway, we're looking here at the spider. We've been going down. Now we have a doji. Remember, down here in the bottom right-hand corner, go to full screen. Watch this in full screen. Set it to high definition if it's not already set to high definition, so you can see this in great clarity. But we down, and then doji at the 50-day moving average coming across. We have the 50-day moving average coming across here, acting as support. We were down. Last few down days, big volume. But this is what I'm expecting. I think that this is a decent chance for the bulls to come back in at this moment, at least temporarily. So I think that we probably have an 85% chance of an upside 2 days here, maybe 3, hard telling. But I definitely see Wednesday having at least a decent chance, 85% chance of being bullish. And so let's see if that actually happens. If we do go bullish, I fully expect volume to be very light if and when that happens. The Dow down below a lot of the moving averages. We get a little spinning top type formation. And again, I could see this wanting to pop up here. Normally after a run, a drop, another little pop certainly could be in the picture. And NASDAQ down at major support. So a lot of what I'm saying is I could expect a 1 day, a 2 day, maybe even a 3 day pop is a lot to do with what we're seeing in the NASDAQ being at a big support line. If you look here, we've got support back here at the beginning of 2016. We bring up to this swing low, puts us here at May 2016, and this is today where we're at now. Now, let me say this, and this could be one of those points in the video that you will reference quite a bit if I'm right here. If the markets break down on Wednesday, going down tomorrow, it will not be just a little one. I think it has a decent chance of being a 200 point or more down day as far as the Dow is concerned. It could be a bloodbath. So everybody knows my disclaimer or full disclosure is this. The last few trading days, let me go back to the spiders, I have thousands of shares short going into this. However, I put a tight stop loss on today because if it pops, I want to get out, take my profits, because I got some nice profits on this drop here. But if this thing does fall out of bed, meaning that we get this huge red candlestick here, I'll certainly be there with a lot of shares short and looking to capitalize on that in a big way. Small caps were down. We got the rising 20-day moving average. Looks like a great opportunity to get a bounce here. We're dropping on big volume. However, the markets could fall out of bed, could drop and just really fall apart here. However, again, I think there's 80-85% chance that we're actually going to bounce. But I'll tell you, if we do drop, that 15% chance that we drop, it could be a gnarly one. Banks, we just down, looking very poorly, below the 200-day moving average now on the banks. Financials ETF, down. The more it drops, the bigger the volume is to the on the drop. Not good at all. U.S. dollar, it's been up. I called it for a buy. I fully expect us to not see these lows anytime soon. I fully expect the U.S. dollar just to only climb. That's even if the Fed stays pat and does nothing on the interest rate. But if the interest rate gets ticked higher, look for the dollar to go higher. Look for pressure to be put on stocks nationally here and globally. Something to be watching. Crude oil down. Now we have a good chance for a bounce. I think it'd be a short-term bounce for crude oil, and then we'll get our head and shoulders. So meaning we got a shoulder, head, we'll bounce up, get a shoulder, and then we'll drop. And crude oil could start to really go southbound here. Gold up and away. I almost put a red arrow here, but I would look to get out of all profits at this moment on gold and wait for a pullback before you reload. Silver, same thing, up. Now we have a tweezer top. Big problems. Look for gold and silver to really start to get bearish here very, very soon, and I think that that's going to happen, so be watching that. The VIX is up. It's coming back down. Let's see what happens on that. Share this video. There's a lot of good information here. People need to know what to be in store for going into the future. Been doing this 18 years. We just wrapped up a mentorship. Thank you for all the students who entrust us to mentor you the last 3 days. We have another one coming up next month. If you want to do that, go to Grok Trade, click on Trading Mentor, fill out the form, and we'll be in touch with you about that. Catch you guys later. If you like it, like it.